Sagutan natin tong problem. So, solve the following questions. So, given the simple circuit below, so meron daw tayong circuit na to. So, meron tayong voltage source na battery. So, this is source. Tapos, across that battery, may nakakonect na resistor. So, meron tayong conditions 1, 2, 3. So for number 1, if R is 100 ohms and I, yung current na nagpo-flow sa circuit daw is 0.25 amps, find V. So para masagot ito, kailangan natin gamitin yung Ohm's Law. So ano ba yung Ohm's Law? So ang formula natin ng Ohm's Law, pwede tayong gumamit ng mnemonic. Okay? So kung meron tayong triangle, i-divide natin into 3 regions. So, meron tayong V sa taas, meron tayong I dito sa baba, tapos merong R dito. So, applying this mnemonic, yung Ohm's Law, ang formula niyan will be for the voltage V, so yung V stands for the voltage, it is measured by the way in volts or capital V. Tapos yung I natin is the current. Okay, it is measured in amps or capital A, and R is the resistance. It is measured in ohms or omega. So, para ma-solve natin yung voltage, i-multiply lang natin itong magkatabi sa baba na current times resistance. So, voltage is I times R. Tapos para ma-solve naman si current I, okay, i-divide naman natin itong voltage by the resistance. So, V over R. And para ma-solve si resistance R, i-divide naman natin itong voltage by the current I. Okay? So, kahit ito lang yung tandaan nyo actually, yung V is equal to IR, then pwede naman kayong mag-manipulate algebraically to solve each quantity. Okay? So, for number 1, so, ang kailangan nating mahanap is si V. So, V is equal to current times resistance. So, substitute natin yung value, yung current daw is 0.25 amps times yung resistance R is 100 ohms. So, bali 0.25 times 100, so that will be 25 volts agad yan. Okay? Ampere times ohms, that will be volts. Okay? Number 2. So, if R naman daw is 500 ohms and V is 12 volts, find I. So, gagamitin naman natin tong formula. So, current I is equal to voltage V over resistance R. So, ano ba si V? Given is 12 volts divided by resistance R, which is 500 ohms. So, divide nyo lang. 12 divided by 500. So, that's 0.024. So, volts over ohms, that will be ampere current. Okay? So, 0.024 amps or pwede siyang 24 milliamps. Okay? Then, for number 3, meron tayong V na 30 volts tapos yung current I is 0.6 amps. Find R. So, gamitin natin tong pangatlong formula. R is equal to voltage V over current I. So, substitute the value. V is 30 volts. So, we have 30 volts over I, the current, 0.6 amps. So, divide lang natin 30 over 0.6. So, we have 50 ohms. Okay? So, volts over amps, ohms, resistance. So, therefore, we have 50 ohms. Okay, sige. Sagutan nyo naman tong problem. So, if voltage is equal to 25 volts and resistance R is equal to 250 ohms, so find the current I. And just comment your answers.